Hi everyone, we have started unit number 11, the environment. What is an environment? Environment is our surroundings and it is made up of man-made things as well as natural things. In our previous class, we read page number 77 and 78. On that page, we discussed the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. And then we discussed page number 79 and page number 80, in which we discussed that why trees are important for environment, for humans, animals and birds, and what are the other uses of trees. Do you know, in 2018, Pakistan pledged to plant 1.4 million trees by August 2019. Trees take a long time to grow, so we need to keep planting more of them. In the past, Pakistan had large areas of forest. Over time, most of these trees were chopped down for use as fuel, as building materials, and in many other ways. Trees were also cleared away to make way for farming or buildings. Deforestation continues today and it causes big problems. The problem caused by deforestation, as shown in the picture below, talk about it. So, see, in this picture, all trees are cut down. Air quality is poor due to cut down of trees, due to deforestation. The ground becomes dry and nothing can grow. It can turn into a desert. So this ground, which has no trees, can become dry and nothing can grow on it. So the land on which nothing can grow is desert. All trees are cut down. Birds cannot make their homes now on trees. There are no leaves, no oxygen. Animals cannot make homes in trees. Humans cannot get fruits from trees. So, trees are very important. Ways to reduce deforestation. So, how can we reduce deforestation? Let's read. First, plant more trees. We should plant more trees in our gardens, in our lawns, in our nearby areas. Second one, do not waste paper. We should not waste paper. We should recycle it and we should try to use and consume less paper. Third, recycle and buy recycled products. We should recycle our used products and we should buy the products which are made from recycled items. Fourth one, avoid cutting down trees. We should not cut down trees. Fifth, buy wood from companies that have forest-friendly policies, such as replacing the trees they cut down. So, there are some companies, some furniture companies who replaces the trees which they cut down for furniture or any other use. So, we should buy wood from those companies. Now, concept check. Unscramble these words. The first letter of each word has been underlined. Do you know what they mean? So what do you think? Which is this letter? If we unscramble this word, we will get the word recycle. Recycle means find new ways to use old things. Now we have to make a word which starts with D. If we rearrange these letters, we will get the word desert because it also starts with D. Desert is a piece of land which has no water and trees. When we rearrange these letters, we have to make a word which starts from D. So, this is deforestation. And what is deforestation? Sometimes forest or wide areas of trees are cut down. This is called deforestation. Now, we have to make a word which starts with E. This is environment. Environment means our surroundings. Draw lines with scale and write neatly on your books. Thank you.